So this is, the bigger picture on behaviors. Now let's dig in on food and beverage, which is probably the bulk of what we're going to speak about today. Now, first up, one of the biggest themes is consumers thinking of food as medicine. Yeah. Now, a big part of it, and we cannot deny that it is about COVID, and the conversations are now mainstream. Yeah. If you look at the slides, the chart, you're probably going to ask why the consumer the trend was up in 2019, just at the beginning of the pandemic, and then it went down while the business is up. And this is one of the conflicting ones I was talking about earlier, and there is a reason for that. Industries are very interested, food industries are very interested to grab that opportunity against the pharmaceutical companies. Yeah. I'm not delusional. I'm not going to tell you that, food is definitely going to be a 100% replacement to medicine, but it's a huge opportunity because people are starting to understand that, there's a mafia around pharmaceuticals. We have doubts about it. I mean, up till now, people don't know whether, COVID is induced in a lab or, it's really a pandemic. Yeah, there's a lot of issues. People talk about medicine as toxic, how much medicine that you actually unpill up in your mouth every day. So if there is an alternative that is food-based, people are very, very receptive to that. However, manufacturers up to date did not have the right equation, which is really taste. At the end of the day, this is food. This is something that you put in your mouth. You want to make sure that it tastes well. I mean, that's why I'm telling you, I'm not delusional here, but there is a great opportunity. And people more and more are logging in information and searching online of what is that. For me personally, I was surprised that there's actually prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. I knew about the probiotics. So apparently there is something that fuels that, which is really the fiber, and there is the actual one, which probably all of us take as a probiotic supplement. And there is the postbiotics, which helps you produce good bacteria versus the bad ones. So there will always be a debate in the consumer mind whether I have a simple solution, pop in a pill, and that's it. But also there is an opportunity, if we can, as manufacturers, to have a tasty, friendly format whereby it is a real solution for this gut thing. I mean, personally, some of the ads I see for pharmaceuticals, heartburn and all of that, what they do is they hide the symptom, but they don't fix the ailment, because the ailment is that you don't have any more good bacteria and you have only bad ones. Yeah. So this today is a piece of information that's become mainstream, so it's up to you to grab that mindset, that positive mindset towards food. And consumers, as I would like to say, they're now unlearning what they have learned versus tons and tons of advertising from different industry in the wrong direction for their needs. Again,